Hello, welcome to Riverside Automation Agency. Today I am going to show you the easiest way to integrate ChatGPT into your WhatsApp. So basically I am going to use vappy.cloud. Uh, you have to go to vappy.cloud and just create an account. After that you have to add your WhatsApp channel uh, to the Vappy cloud. Just click after going to dashboard, just click add channel and add your WhatsApp number that you want to connect with your Vappy. Just search for vappy.cloud. Vappy.cloud. Watch messages. You have to create a webhook. Just click add a webhook. So it has created a link. This module, now this module is connected to your Vappy account. This will automatically watch for the new messages that is coming into your chat. After that, I'm going to connect my assistant that I have created for my automation agency. You have to add your OpenAI account. Just click add and add your API key and organization ID, which you can easily find. Like here is the API keys. Just go to platform.openai.com and create a new API key. And to find your organization ID, just go to your profile and then general, and you will find your organization ID here. Just copy this organization ID and paste it here and just click save. I have already connected my account. So now you have to select your assistant. I have created an assistant already, which I am going to show you. Just go to dashboard, assistant. This is the assistant that I have already created. Just paste name and instructions. I have pasted the instruction already, and just I have also attached my knowledge base. That's it. Now go to the make.com and just select your assistant, and what you have to do is you have to select the text which is coming from your channel. Like this is go to text and body. This is the user message and click OK. Now we will send this generated response by ChatGPT to the same chat we are getting message from. So we will select send text message, and now we have to give two things here. First the text content and the phone number, chat ID or group ID. We will give the chat ID. So the text content would be the response generated by ChatGPT. So we have to select that the result, and for the chat ID we will go to messages and we have to select this chat ID. So now click OK. Now the response will be automatically returned to the chat. On this automation, just click save and go back. So let's test this out. I'm going to say hi. Now the automation will run. So you can see it is running, and we will get a response by hello. How can I assist you today? If you have questions about it, so we are getting response back. So let me ask another question. What kind of So basically, I have made a mistake. So let's fix this out. So actually, I have made a mistake. So first, let me stop this, and I forgot to apply a filter. So basically, uh, it will keep running in the loop if I do not apply filter. So I have to apply a filter. So if message is from me, so it will not respond. It will stop the loop. Now let's test this out again. So I'm going to on it. Okay, so let's try it again. Hello. So the automation should be running. Yeah, it is running now. We will get our response back. Yeah. Hello. How can I assist you today? Let's ask another question. What kind of services do you offer? So it is running again, and we will get our response back. Yeah. So you can see, actually, I have created this for my automation agency, which is Riverside Automation Agency. So it is suggesting all of the services that I am providing currently. So this is it, and I hope you would like it. Please reach me out to Riverside Automation Agency. I will put the link in the description. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. And thank you.